My name is Romeo the Professor. People want to see how I take profit, so I'm going to remove 80% of APay network here. I click D apps, I go Pancake swap, and because it's a B, so I put 8Pay here, and then I put BUSD here, and I put 9,000. No, I'm doing 9,500. I'm taking 9,500, and then I do swap, and then I confirm. So I just now moved $9,500 worth of 8Pay to BUSD, which is a stable coin. It should process, it's just not processed. So now when we go over here, I have it here, 9,500, and then 8Pay should have dropped. Whoa. It should have dropped right around here, right here. Okay, 605. So I'm just hoping, well, not hoping, I just saw that it did. I believe it's going to turn back and go down right here. Okay, it made an M, so right here. So I think this is the high. It's going to pull back to at least right around 12. So what is APay network? APay network, what we look at here, it's a accept any kind of crypto payments. It's the only crypto payment processor. Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Solana, Ethereum, these are the tokens that's available. The billing models, one time, fixed, recurring, variable, on demand. I like it a lot. Okay. Wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Ledger, exchanges, Pancake, Swap, Uniswap, BitHub, Biloxi. So there it is. My name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, subscribe, share. Thank you. I'm out.